I'm going to show a little pallet change that I do on these LED displays with the solder robot. So this one just finished, and I'm going to pull it out, and this is a 3D printed case that basically holds the components in place so they don't move, and then I can just pick up another one, place it in, set it, hit the start button, and then we're back off to the races again. These LuckyLight LEDs that are being soldered in on the left two columns come with a very long lead, and so I 3D printed a little template that I could shove those leads through and then clip them down to the length that you see coming out of the board now. The only issue is really that there's still not a ton of consistency there, and so some of these are shorter than others, which is, you can kind of see that here. But it's working good. Those are good joints.